let me say this. There are those ones who been implicated in many malpractices. Wengine they have altered their papers. Them have presented fake certificates for you to get into office. We can't look back. The only assurance we want to give you is that as long as you've gone to school and your papers are in place, you'll be employed, you'll get a job. Lakini mambo ya ukora, like this morning, you can't imagine it, but I'm not going to mention this person. Presented to us fake papers from Maseno University. Kama ulipeana hongo kwa hii board, nitakupea $1,000,000 na nitakupea hiyo kazi, utaendelea. Mtu aweke mkono juu. Kuna mtu pale? Hakuna. That's how serious we are. And the board you see, anytime you receive 100,000, your job will go. I'll give somebody $1 million and he will continue working. Please don't be tempted. Let us have these people. Hawana afadhali wewe uko nayo, wewe unakula mshahara. Hao watu eti mtu atafute 1,100, 2,200, 1,800 atafute kazi. Na kina Mungu anitokole bikolika mme. Nyasaye gato siseniri. Otoyi ntunko turu mushahara. Abanta umwana utabwatike ndeke wote binao nyomolimo. Hao ni ng'ombe akoletere. That one will not happen. Biashara bibi sikiri dabanda abange bayiwedo mubesana lakini gosembi igolere mo wanja mbigole ngomo iwe. We are not going to accept mtoko igolere isaleka. Be satisfied. I expect you to strictly adhere to chapter 6 of the Constitution, which stipulates that you should behave responsibly and with integrity, be accountable and disciplined. Beside, you will be required to follow